stress too much, I can't go, but now
Don't stress yourself.
they
Go.
go send me half free. They send half free.
You send her friend go?
Mm-hmm.
Granny have money for send her free. Hey.
I have it up now.
So Granny have money for send her off. So people may have comb my granny ear, you know. I'm a good up granny, you know. Yeah, nice clean ear. Vaseline it up. A real ear, this is not a fake ear, you know. So some I wanna feel like say when I have good ear. A real ear this. Think a fake ear.
The white gold.
Yeah. I some want me ear white gold. Yeah. White toes.
Me with the fox here.
What?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, alright, Granny.
Mm-hmm.
People may want to get rich and come home, you know.
Well, then could I get one place for lease?
Lease for Granny? Hey, Granny, where you want place for lease? Don't mind she. Where you want it to Kano?
One,
Maybe you don't mind, you know.
Eh?
She don't mind.
You want style, Granny?
what?
Style. You want to put your ear in a style,
zigzag.
Granny?
No.
Granny, may I put your ear in a
Don't
style?
put it in there, I don't like it.
You don't like what?
No style.
A style you gonna get
Jesus Christ.
under you. You stay there. I saw my love bad my granny in a place.
Look, where put me in a style for?
What you mean? You're a hot girl.
For me, a woman not like me.
So you're a hot girl, Granny? Granny, a hot girl, you know.
Aye.
The woman that make house burn down 3 times and say, thing good. Yeah.
Boy. Hey boy, we burn down the house, you know, punch food.
I will burn down your house, Granny. You
Shabba.
burn down my granny house, you know.
When you then burn down. Sludger.
This feel nice, Granny? May I massage your
It
head?
turn idiot.
Granny, this feel nice? May I massage your head for you?
Burn here, make me burn here.
If you come out tight, then you don't know, say once me come in, I not come out tight, Granny.
This man. A Canada, you're there in England.
They are England. They are the Queen land. You understand?
Why not me one plane for cleaning?
I mean it. You know I mean it, Granny?
Me don't know, me sit down out and me hear one plane hear me. A England flight, this, you know.
Yeah, I'm doing the one. How you feel like?
Oh,
So people may go clean on my granny ear. I want to feel like I think of chattings.
I long for she cherry girl.
Sure, you have baby.
Come here, boy.
Nice little baby boy.
Man, when cherry girl go in my teeth, it baby my pipe.
You baby him?
Yes, and it could be pipe. Here, mama.
I
Say,
hear a reminisce.
mama never leave you now, you hear?
Oh, she
And
was
I bust
seven.
out and cry.
You can't cry, you can't sit. And so one night I come in and I say, please, no bother. No, don't cry, mommy. It's good. I'm here. Oh, yesterday I see you, don't me feel away, granny, you know, lie. I wish me the day here.
That family,
And come up. And...
Lisa treat him.
Alright, granny, alright.
Oh, they treat me good, you know. Oh, they.
So people may hurry up and do the cane road them and come back. So see you when the ear is finito. Granny, say hello to the people them. Just say hello.
Hello.
Yes. What is that, Granny? Just hello, sir. Say hello, wonderful people. How are you doing?
Hello, wonderful people. What you are doing?
Big up, Granny. Granny was a hot girl, you know. You see here, people? Make it stay there, son. Come on, my yard. Lad, chop up muck. Me dead enough. Me got dead enough. People shall complain. And when you do good for Granny, you don't do good.
What happened?
It's okay, Granny. Let me just be here in peace now, man. Welcome to family. I love your family.
I didn't figure come.
Yeah, I go Monday. Me I come for you for carry go clinic Monday.
Boy.
Or which one me for carry? Nathan? Carry Nathan then.
The two of we can go one side.
The two of you can't go in the car and have nothing in this house. Then nobody come over here and take.
You can
Video them. So what go on? Eh? I want them to ear revise?
It looks up.
Oh, you can't look for who? Granny?
How would
Who near yourself?
A fashion information. Fruit.
Fashion head. Where fashion head there?
I wish one.
Them a look passion fruit, Granny. So your ear will go back, you know, Granny. Yeah, all back. We're gonna come round here, come weed up
Go away.
and cook some food.
No lie.
I'm sorry, I'm not there. I feel like if I was here, it would have been different.
It wouldn't be like this.
Yeah. Because I kind of do the thing the right way. And this not real. So people, me up on the last one. This are the last one. Me say people, me a sweat. Me a sweat out hell. Granny. Look like me have to come home. Come and help my mom and my grandma.
Live the God one.
Come let me tell you something. Granny. Yeah. You want to chop up in a one cup? You want to drink one now?
I'll put it like you do.
Yeah. Well, come up to live. Now,
This not right?
he said, oh, this live it is one, it's not going on. Oh,
Granny, it's okay. I don't know yard you need to go. That's okay. Oh, God, it cannot manage everybody. It have it hard.
That look fresh though.
it can't take up nothing more.
You is fine. Mommy can't manage the man. Mommy have true manage, so if it's weird, I should manage it.
Oh, I took no down.
Breadfruit?
Panichi.
Me see.
Eh?
Me see. You want breadfruit for roast?
Tomorrow?
We see how it go. See if we see on breadfruit down there. So people may finish my grandma here. And I just wish I was here. You know? But girl, I have to stay with her son. But son grow big now, so I have to make up my mind and know I have to do because I have to come home and look after my mother and father. And she know very soon I have to come home to look for my granny. So people, this is grandma here.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah. People, this is grandma here.
It's not fun to know.
Now come for now.
No, sir.
Yeah, nice.
No,
I like it. Grandma, I like it. I like it. I like it. Smile with me. Oh, look how my grandmother pretty. Me I go wine for my grandmother. My mother there with her one hand. I do PR bit. What that for, mommy? Oh. So we are weed up. Change up some of this zinc. It's over there, so weed up here. Man, I take a break. So not up there. And nothing. It's okay, mommy. We just have to do what we have to do. Blessing flow like a river. Blessing flow like a... Hey, when you do good follow me, you know. So you see what me I do, a good way I do, and good follow it. Mother want clean up because she not happy how the place look. It's not so pretty, but we have to fix up, you know. Family need to come together and fix up. So, go weed up. condition, alright? Yeah, we fix up yourself. God blessing, you know. You do good, follow you. You understand? And if you not follow you, pick me them. If you want blessing, follow me. You do the right thing. And watch now, see. While we come here and the while we are going to leave. We're dead. I left everything.